Would you like to unlock the engine compartments of the Audi R8, but you're not sure how to do so? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to open the engine compartment of the Audi R8. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. To unlock the engine compartment of the Audi R8, you need to use the engine compartment release button, which is located on the inside. Open the driver's door of the Audi R8. To have a clear view, you can bring the seat forward. Behind the seatbelt you will find this button. While using this button, you will unlock the engine compartment of the Audi R8. You can now gently lift the engine cover to access the engine compartment. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.